Papua New Guinea is one of the most remote and primitive places on Earth. During World War II, it was the hot seat of the South Pacific Theater, where over 600 U.S. planes crashed. The country is a graveyard of war relics and unsung heroes. Fred Hagen, a builder from Pennsylvania, is an avid historian and World War II aviation enthusiast. A passion for discovering and preserving World War II aircrafts has taken Fred to the far reaches of the Earth. In this episode of Broken Wings, Fred will embark on one of his greatest adventures yet, the quest for the Swamp Ghost. One of the best preserved relics of World War II history, the Swamp Ghost has been slowly decaying in the Agiambo swamp of Papua New Guinea for 64 years. Fred has meticulously planned out his dream of rescuing this B-17 Flying Fortress from its unmarked South Pacific grave and bringing it home to complete its mission. Join us on a journey of epic proportions and watch Fred struggle to salvage this piece of aviation history.
This is going to be a challenge.
It became my property. It became my property.
Jesus Christ. Trace the hose back. Give me the orange and red line. Come on. Yeah.
That's scary.
What's wrong? Fell off.
Will Fred resurrect the Swamp Ghost from this unforgiving swamp, or will it forever remain a ghost? Broken Wings, the quest for the Swamp Ghost.